Today let's try this disposable razor, the Gillette Sensor 3, also called Blue 3 in some countries. I bought a pack of these while I was on holiday and I have to say I was really surprised. These are great, the shave was excellent. So let me show you how it shaves and I'll come back right after to give you my full review. As you can see, the shave was excellent, really close, and I didn't get any cuts or irritation. The few red spots that you can see near my chin are from eczema, not from shaving. So I didn't get any aftershave burn or no razor bumps either. I usually get those every time I shave with razors, either manual or electric, both of them. I think I didn't get any this time, mostly thanks to this green strip on top with aloe vera. It gets activated with water and it turns into a gel and it works really well to protect your skin. The shave was super comfortable, it's really perfect for sensitive skin like mine. The blades are great too, they are sharp, they cut really close, they should last about a week if you shave every day or every other day. The only small problem is that hair can build up in the razor head, so if your beard is a bit long, you will need to rinse it a few times and maybe have to use a towel to remove the buildup. It's a minor issue, but worth mentioning. For the rest, the grip is excellent, the razor is light and well balanced. Honestly, for the price, this is a great everyday razor. If you're looking for a disposable one that performs well and is comfortable, don't look further, I really recommend it. The Amazon link is in the description. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.